Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify profile picture safe zones for Instagram. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify profile picture safe zones for Instagram, start by launching the Instagram app on your device. Navigate to your profile page by tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the Edit Profile button located near your profile picture. Now, take note of the existing profile picture dimensions, which are typically displayed as a square, measuring 110 by 110 pixels. To ensure your image fits perfectly, use a safe zone guideline, which is commonly 20% inward from the edges. For a better understanding, open a design tool or graphic editor like Canva or Photoshop. Create a new file with the recommended size of 320 by 320 pixels for higher quality. Now, draw guidelines approximately 64 pixels from each edge, marking the safe zones. This will help you understand where essential elements of your image should be placed. Upload the image you'd like to use for your profile picture into the edit. Adjust your image within the safe zones, ensuring important features aren't cut off when displayed. Once you're satisfied with the placement, save the image in a format that Instagram supports, such as JPEG or PNG. Return to the Instagram app and tap on your profile picture to choose the new image from your gallery. After selecting your image, adjust it to fit within the Instagram cropping tool. Make sure your important elements remain within the designated safe zones. Finally, tap on Done to save your changes and update your profile picture. Your profile picture is now set, optimized to avoid cropping issues on Instagram. That's how to verify profile picture safe zones for a perfect Instagram profile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.